but it's not designed for that at all. That's really just a joke. Are you wondering if this is the right robot to clean your pool? Let's talk about it. This is the absolutely wrong pool. While I put it in, I'm going to talk to you about some of the features, why this is the wrong pool, and what the right pool is. So this robot is really specifically designed for smaller, about 900 square foot above ground pools, because it's not really like, if you look at my pool here, number one, it's huge. Number two, it's got a lot of walls. And number three, it has a big incline because it has a deep end. So one of the things that you want to know about this is particularly designed to be super efficient, right? So the power is really delivered so that it will move itself around. It will robotically move around on the floor of your pool, but it will run for 90 minutes with the priority of its energy being used to suck up debris, which is really what you want it to do. You want it to really clean the bottom of your pool. So that's how it's focused. This is not built to go up and down giant inclines like in my pool. But if you have a flat pool, it should be absolutely awesome. So what we're going to do is we're going to let this run for the 90 minutes, finish it up. We'll pull it out. It's going to pull over to the side of the pool when the battery gets low, and we're going to pull it out, see what we've collected, and talk about the overall experience. The robot has nicely pulled itself over here to the side and parked itself. Let's grab our Scuba SE while the dog freaks out. Got the Scuba SE out after running it twice. Before I get into the final review, please hit that like button and subscribe. It is so important to the channel. Also, any questions you have, put them in the comments below. I will make sure to answer them. So it is out of the pool. I have run it twice. We've proven a lot of things we really know already, right? Number one, it's not designed for this kind of pool. So every time it went into the deep end, I had to bring it back because it couldn't make it up the hill. But this is really ideal for an above ground, flat bottom pool, something sub 900 feet, and it should be awesome for that. If you're looking for something just to regularly use to pull up some dirt, debris, leaves, that kind of stuff. In our case, when I open this up, you're going to see lots of dog hair, small sand, and that kind of stuff. But again, not this kind of pool. If you have a pool like this, AIPER does have some other really good robots, but this one, flat bottom, above ground pool, or a smaller in-ground pool. Let me show you what I found. So as you can see, we have plenty of dog hair, some really fine sand that is picked up, and some basic debris, which is what you would expect. Again, we're inside a cage here in Florida, so I'm not going to get a whole lot of leaves and that kind of stuff. The fine sand is normally my biggest issue to try to keep it out of the pool. The dog hair is also an incredibly vexing issue, why you see a whole lot of it in the machine right there. In any case, for that flat, above ground, smaller pool or a smaller in-ground pool, this would be absolutely perfect. I'm going to give it a full 5 out of 5 for that, a 0 for a giant in-ground pool like this, but it's not designed for that at all. That's really just a joke. 5 out of 5 for its design purpose, above ground, 900 feet or under pool, flat bottom. Hope that was helpful. We'll see you next time.